Hey guys, this is day 2 of my 365 AI tool challenge. Yesterday we explored ChatGPT and today we are going to learn Cloud AI. To be honest, I haven't used Cloud AI before. So in this video we will explore everything from scratch together. I'll go through all the key features step by step. So let's get started now. So we can search Cloud AI in any browser. Let's get Cloud AI. You can go with a browser, but if you have a Windows app, if you have an app in your Windows, you can get more features. So I'm going to download Windows. So let's open launch. Can finish setup. I pause the video because it's taking more time, so I can continue after this. So yeah, we can sign up with the Google. So I'm going to enter my. So I already signed up. Now we can say I can choose one of these options. So Cloud has a free plan. So with the free plan you can do these things, but if you have a pro you can do a lot more work using Cloud AI. But for this video I'm going to just um go with the free version. So let's continue. So we can enter name here. We can use this feature to work with the complex outputs. So let's take an example. Let's start with the example. So let's get cooking. Pick a artifacts category or start building your idea from scratch. So here you can choose one of these or you can start from scratch by yourself. So I'm just to make it simple, I'm gonna just start this one. So web and website. So let's, yeah, great choice to help me build exactly what you need. Could you tell me a bit more? So I just want to make simple for this tutorial. So let's just landing page marketing site. Do you have a specific idea in mind? Let's say, yeah, yes, I know what I want. Tell me about your landing page idea, a few things that will help. What's the product, service, or brand you're promoting? Who's target audience? And what's the main action? You can do these three. Say, so I added product as advanced bootcamp course, and audience is my audience is a recent graduate or anyone interested in coding. A main action, so I just want them to sign up and buy a course. So let's do this. So what's the name of your bootcamp? Just I'm just giving it, this is not real, so I'm giving a random name and random design. So let's go with a dark theme and just do data science. And the landing page, so section here, bold headline. I just say right. See, we can see now it already created all the codes we need for this website. See, and how quick, like, and it's much quicker than the chat GPT actually. Oh, this way too big. So we can see you could we already got the response, and it's giving me the warning message. So it says you just hit your free message limit. Upgrade to Pro or Max to send more messages. You also get access to tool like this, but I'm not going to do this. And I already got response, so you can see the result here now. So you can see it's see that's it's more than I didn't expect this UI to be that good. Now you can see you got the result now. So see here's your code launch landing page. So here results. So we can even publish from here. So let let's have a look. Say 16-week curriculum by Python fundamental to help deploying production AI models. Python for data science. You got all the module. Invest in your future. That's really good feature. So you can even enroll from here. Open link. So let's try to publish how if this is working or not. Publish and copy. So now we can see the results. So on the right side, so we have everything we need for the to launch this bootcamp, data science bootcamp. Now we can paste the link here and see. So here you can see the website is already published, and you can do everything on the website, and also you can customize from here as well. So to customize, we have to go to the different site again. So I'm not going to customize now, but just let's see how the website looks like. So so let me try to enroll now. So if I click on enroll button, I have to I think the button is not working yet. So next we have the project feature. This feature will allow you to organize work. So instead of having random charts everywhere, you can just keep related work together. So you don't have to repeat again and again. So for example, you can have a one project for learning, one project for startup idea, and one for coding. Let's start with the example. So I'm going to create a new project. So you can click on this button. You can name anything. So let's write test one. What are you trying to achieve? Uh, let's say I want to have like a small website to show my workout plans and about diet plan. You can do anything. I'm just giving a random information. So let's create now. Our project is ready now. So here we can ask anything. and we have an instruction here. So here we can add any instruction. You can add a file as well. So you can add a file from the device, from the computer. You can also add a file from the GitHub or Google Drive, and or maybe you can just add a text content here. So just write anything. Let's say um, the favorite favorite food list, oats, avocado. Just you can, and now we can ask. Let's say suggest best diet plan according to my goal. So let me get the few details to build the best plan for you. So you can select one of these options. Let's muscle gain and non-vegetarian, and I'm gonna choose 4 or 5 meals. So we got the response here. So the daily target we have 2800, the protein 170, carb 320, and 75 gram fat. So we got a meal one oat power bowl plus egg, meal two avocado plus chicken wrap, meal three grilled salmon plus brown rice, and meal four nut fruit and protein shake, and meal five we have lean beef or chicken plus sweet potato. You can see here we got the oats, avocado, nuts, like in most of the meal, because we added in instruction. I think this is all. Another great feature we have is customize. So with the customize, we can add a skill. We can add any app that you use in your normal life. Okay, let's try this. So let's add a skill, create a new skill. So we can create a new skill by clicking on the plus icon. Let's create a new skill. So if you can either create with the cloud or write a skill instruction, or you can upload a skill. So you can upload a file, and if you have a file, but let's try with the just with the cloud. So I'm going to click on the create with the cloud. So let's create a skill together using your skill creator skill. First ask me what the skill should do. So I'm going to ask act as a business mentor and suggest a startup idea. So we got the response. So it's asking me the background. So it's asking me a few questions. So what's the background? So I'll just say and sell to business, sell to consumer, or marketplace, sell to business. mm, I can choose any random, so it doesn't matter much. So I'm going to choose the option one, because I have got the message we have hit your limit for cloud message. So I might have to wait until 12 a.m. or maybe I can use another account. So I use my another account to continue this. So I so this is the same message I wrote in the previous account. So let's continue from here. So I ask act as a business mentor and suggest the startup ideas. So enter this. It's thinking. So love it. Let's find something worth building. To point you in the right direction, tell me a bit about yourself. I'll tailor the idea to your strength and goals. So he asked me my background. So I'll just say tech engineering. I want to sell to business, lifestyle business, profitable, sustainable. So you start a blueprint. S- s- prof- Profile. Tech engineering better be profitable, sustainable. So API integration. So you got the response according to the skill we added. So want me to go to deeper in any of this? I'll, because I just want to make everything small, so I just leave this. Now let's move to a different section, which is the connector. So with the customize, we can also add a app. Like we can add any app. You can connect any app and any app or tool that you already use in your daily life. So let's connect. I'm going to connect which one is more popular, and I do not have any of this. There's so many. There's so many tools. I'm going to connect. Let me search for the Google Calendar. So you can see I already connected Google Calendar. So even I can disconnect from here, and then now next move to the chart section. Okay, so when you go to the connector, you can see the Google connector, Google Calendar here in the connector section where we can check everything. So now you can ask anything from the you can click on a calendar and ask transfer my calendar into fantasy. I'm gonna ask what's happening this week, which days I have a more free time. So again, so this all the information is from my calendar. So this is one of the best feature. You can find this feature even in a chat GPT. Yeah, that's all. I think I cover everything from the free plan, and I'm going to make another video which will cover everything from the paid plan. So see you tomorrow then.